Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing an app I built as part of my final project for my Dynamic Websites course at the University of Baltimore. Our objective for the assignment is to make the world a better place with PHP in 200 lines of code or less. I also decided to self-impose a requirement to build something using PHP classes and objects, as it's something that we didn't dive too deep into over the course of the semester, and I thought it would be worth practicing. What you see before you is the resulting application I created. As we're heading into the mowing season here in Maryland, I figured it would be helpful for anyone with a yard if they had a tool that would help them plan their mowing schedule around the current weather forecast. By providing a valid zip code and the date they last mowed, the Smart Mower app can tell you what the best days are to tackle those outdoor chores. As you can see on the left, the entire application is built as a single PHP page that is 163 lines long. I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of how it works. At the top you can see some of the standard styling and web libraries. I did add a JavaScript app called jQuery Mask, which allows me to restrict my form fields so that they only accept the appropriate formats. Moving to the PHP code just past a few declared variables, you can see the main body of the assignment, the PHP class forecast. This class has everything we need to build a single forecast block on the web page. There is a construct function that allows me to pass the values in the order listed, and then it also creates a few additional values and includes the scoring for the day. As you can see in the comment, the best day of the week will end up with the lowest score, just like golf. The final piece of the class is a reporting function that will construct the layout of each forecast block on the web page in HTML. After that is my code for what happens when a user submits a date and zip code. I'm connecting with Weather Underground for my weather data, and you can see right here that I'm pulling the zip code value in my JSON request. Then it's just a matter of pulling all of the specific data that I'm using and adding it to the new forecast object. The last thing I needed to do is determine what the days were that were best for mowing, so I needed to be able to compare the mowing scores of each of my forecast objects, which you can see here. Then it's just a matter of echoing all of this information onto the screen. As you can see, even if you're looking at weather for a location, you can update the zip code and see how things are going on in a different location. Just so you know, 33601 is a Tampa zip code. Quick Google search told me it was one of the stormiest cities in the country. So that's it. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks.